So this camera has dual recording, so that might actually work out really good when you're out wheeling, if this will work in my Jeep. So dash cam's actually pretty cool. I already got a memory card in it. This is the suction cup mount. Now to see if it'll work in the Jeep. Does look like she'll fit. Does have quite the menu set up for sure. So I just got this thing mounted on the window, but I'm going to go through all the different. Whoops, wrong way. Got your resolution, loop record audio off, G sensor low, parking guard. I should probably put that on. License is off because I don't have that camera set on. Screensaver 1 minute, video encode, frequency. USB mode to hook it up to the computer, mirror image. So there is a lot of features on that dash cam. Gonna have to use it for a bit to test out the audio. So for the purpose of this video, I just want to keep it nice and short. I find that most cameras always see LED lights as strobing, even though they really don't. It's just a frequency that the camera shutter, or whatever you want to call it, is working at. My first impression of this camera, it's got a lot of features now. Don't be put off by the video footage being a little bit jerky. I do have a Jeep, and Jeeps are not known to be a smooth riding vehicle. But this is what the dash camera is going to be used in. And I'm actually pretty impressed with the video quality. I think this will work out good for a dash camera for being out wheeling. I have yet to install the backup camera. I have yet to try this out at night. This video right here is just a quick video, quick unboxing, quick quality of video that you guys can see and decide for yourselves. Like, this is probably like my 4th dash camera. And this one here is probably one of the best video quality out of all the ones that I've owned. And the price point is pretty good too. So I'm going to end the video here. You guys can continue to watch the video and decide for yourselves. And I'll see you guys in the next one.